Hi friends, this is Akram. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today here we are going to learn parameters in Power BI friends. Nowadays in every scenarios we are going to use parameters friends so that our work was reduced using the parameters. So let us start with the parameters. Coming to the first point here, a parameter serves as a way to easily store and manage a value that can be reused. What it was doing is easily we can store and manage a value which can be reused friends. Parameters gives you the flexibility to dynamically change the output of your queries depending on their value. It is going to change dynamically friends depending on our value. When we pass a value it is going to change dynamically friends. You can easily manage your parameters inside the manage parameters window. You can get to the manage parameters window by selecting the manage parameters option inside manage parameters in the home tab. Here we have the manage parameters in your Power Query editor so that we can make the parameters from there. Let Now we will build a parameter here friends, right? So here for that what I need to do here is first of all I need to load the data. Here I am loading the data. The data which I have is the sample superstore. I am going to load the data of sample superstore, right? It is going to load the data into my Power BI. This is, yes, it is loading. So let me go with only orders table friends, right? Then let me click on transform data. Yes, after click on the transform data, it is taking us to Power Query Editor friends. What is Power Query Editor? As of everyone knows that Power Query Editor is a where we can do transformations friends. Transformations to our data, right? So now you can see here the orders table was there here. So what we need to do here before creating the parameter, we need to go through the data friends. First of all here we have row id, order date, ship mode, customer id, customer name, segment, country, city, state, so and so on and so forth. So let us go with state column friends. We will create a parameter for state friends, states. Here we have different states, right? So we are going to create a parameter for states friends. For that what I will do here is right click on the state column, right click on the state column and click add as new query friends. Here we are going to create a query parameters friends. When you click on the add as new query, it is the list was created with the states friends. Here you can see the states which are populated here, but in that states we have duplicate values friends. California, Texas like this, but we don't want the duplicate values friends. Here let me right click and remove duplicates friends. All these called as a transformations friends. Now after removing the duplicates, here we have only 41 states available in our data. So that now I will go to orders table. Here I have created a query, add as a new query. We can call it as a query. This is the our table, and now we need to create a parameter here, friends. For creating the parameter, what we need to have here, you can see you can find the parameter in the home tab. Click on the drop down and click on the new parameter, friends. When you click on the new parameter, it is showing you the name of the parameter. You can give any name friends, parameter name. Here I am giving the parameter name as some state parameter, state parameter, right? So here then after you can give any description, no, not an issue. And here you can go with the type friends. what is the type. You can select any type here. Date is there, date time is there, duration is there, text is there, binary is there. So now as of now I will go with any friends. Then after we have suggested values friends. What is suggested here? Query friends. Why? Because we are working with query parameters. Let us go with the query parameters. Query. What is that query name here friends? The query name here is state. The column name is state. Select on the query name, it is a state. So the value present in the states, what are the states value friends? Texas, California, Florida, Washington, New York, like this, so on, right? So let me select Texas here. Yeah, I have selected Texas friends. This is how we are going to create the parameter friends. Now then after I click on OK. Fine. Now you can see that here you can see order table is there, query is there, and you have the parameter here. So you have the parameter with the name of Texas, and you can get a question like how we can use this manage parameter in our table. How to reflect all these data into our orders table. So let me go to our orders table here. You can go. We can go through our state. We can go through our state, but here in the state it was not showing Texas, which is showing all the states friends here. Duplicate data also coming. So that for that what we need to do is click on the drop down of the state and click on text filters. What we are doing here, we are text filtering equals. Here we are doing some basic filtering friends. Keep rows where state equals to. Here we need to select parameter friends. Here parameter. What is the parameter name? State parameter. Here we have only one parameter friends, so that's why it is showing us the one parameter. You can create n number of parameters friends. If suppose we are dealing here, we are working with state parameter, right? If you want to go with some product parameter, over there in you have different kinds of products, so you can create with the product parameter, like that. If suppose you want to go with some parameter like country parameter, you can create country parameter also, like that. So then after doing all these things, click on OK. What we here we are doing is filtering rows with the state equals to the parameter is the state parameter. Click on OK friends. After doing this, you can see here Texas. You are able to see the Texas. See here. Here we have passed the value as a Texas, right? So you can see Texas value in your table. Texas state. Now I want to change it to California. Why? Oh, no. Here it is not showing me California or any Florida or any other states. How? How to get those California or Washington or New York or Mexico or like this? What we need to do for that? So what we need to do is click on the state parameter and go type here California exam. California. California. Now click on any place friends here. Select that California. Now go to your orders table, and now you can see here the California. See here friends. You can see now only California. Yeah. Fine. Now you can say that okay, fine, done. We are done with the transformations here. How to apply these things to our report level, in the report level, right? So now we are going to see that in our report level. Let us go and close and apply friends. We are going to click on close and apply. Now we are jumping into our report. Here we will build some report here. Yeah, it is loading friends here. Here we are getting orders table and state table, that a query. See here, orders and state table, right? Now what I want to see here is my scenario, my task is I want to see the sales of state called as some Florida. What I need to do, let me take some visual friends. First let me take some column chart here. Then after taking the column chart, let me go with the sales friends. What we want to see, the sales of the state. Which state? Let me select the state. Previously when we are coming from the transformation, we have selected California, right? So see here friends, you can you are able to see the California here. Let me increase the size so that easily you can find this California name. See here, California. Now you can have a question like how to change this to Texas or any other state. I want to see the sales of some Texas or some Washington or some etc. Dynamically I want to see that. So what I need to do is click on the transform data here, drop down. Don't go to transform data, don't go to data source settings. Click on edit parameters friends, that's it. Then after you can select this drop down in edit parameters, select drop down and go with Washington. We want to see the data of Washington, right? Click on that Washington, apply changes. So now you can see here that the data is, it is going to be, the sales data is going to be changed to Washington friends. Yes, see here Washington. Now I want to change it to some other state, some like Pennsylvania, right? Click on OK, apply changes. See here first, Pennsylvania. This is how the parameters are going to work, friends. So that here we have created only single parameter, friends. If suppose in your job, in your project, if you are creating multiple more parameters, means easily you can find out the way for your business. That's how the parameters are going to work, friends. This is all about the parameters. If you like my video, please do subscribe and share with your friends and click on the bell icon, friends. When I post new videos, you will get a notification of the new videos. Thank you.